Hi guys, welcome to episode 4 of my cholesterol series. Today we are talking about cholesterol lowering drugs. In the late 1980s, statins entered the scene. What is statin? It is the cholesterol lowering medication. It has not many side effects when you consume it. Like, it's not like you're going to get a rash, you're going to vomit, you're going to get diarrhea, you're not tolerating it, you're having a lot of gastric issues. No, statin causes none of that. अब हमारे पास drug है and it works on LDL. How do we make money? You say LDL is bad. Simple. Really simple. That is how pharma companies work. LDL became the focus not because it explained heart disease, but it was so easy to drug. And then side by side, something chotu subtle was happening over there. What? They kept changing cholesterol cutoffs. In the 1980s, high cholesterol का मतलब था 240 के level के ऊपर. 1990s में it became 200. So you and me, if you were at 210 and supposedly healthy, we are like, no, statin start करो. ठीक है? कर लेंगे start. In 2000s, the level was reduced further to 160 for healthy people, and for people who are at the risk already, उनको heart problem जिनको है, उनका और कम किए हैं. And by this, more and more people were put on statins. Each shift expanded the number of people labeled at risk now. So more prescriptions, longer treatment. If you see, there is no guideline where they say statin ko abhi stop kar do. And I think that is there with most allopathic chronic diseases ka medicine. Sudden side effects are not common with statins. It is quite tolerable. So it is prescribed quite comfortable. But one of the long-term effects is diabetes. And the same pharma people will sell you diabetes medicine after 10-15 years when you get it. It's really a win-win for them. Meanwhile, triglycerides, insulin resistance, and metabolic health stayed secondary. LDL didn't suddenly become dangerous. It didn't. The definition became dangerous. The story gets better in 2010s though. Next episode, we will talk about how the narrative is getting much better now. Make sure you follow for more and share with your friends. And if you haven't seen the previous episodes, कोलेस्ट्रॉल के सारे सीरीज के देख लो, बड़ा मजा आएगा.